Here we are in Charleston, West Virginia. It's part of Fun with the Dome, kind of a chili fest as well, beer fest, whatever. Anyway, we're making chili. Here we go.
You got a big enough pot.
There he is, Master Chef. I always get stuck next to Jim and everybody. What? Every year. Come on. Oh, you guys serving up dog?
Yeah.
Dog meat today?
Yeah, you bet.
Guys, those guys use dog meat in their chili. Shh. Just saying.
Secret ingredient.
It's a secret ingredient, apparently.
Get up, get down, get fucking, get loose. What you come out here for?
I'll have one. We go out on a limb, so it's not beer related.
No, but I want what he's having for sure. Wow. There he is, tasting it out. Looking good, looking good. Looks pretty good, so I guess we just hang out and wait. Let it simmer. Let's do its thing. Yeah. Is it going in? It's going in. There we go. Aha! The secret. Well, let's see. My favorite part is just sitting here and tasting it all day. Let the flavors blend in together. You know. Woo! Wow. Wow. There you go. Award-winning. There you go. Hey! Boom. Award-winning chili right there. Yay! Nice. We're out of chili. Yeah! Let's see. What happened? Let's see what we got.
What? We won!
What?
We won!
We won!
We won!
We won! We won! Yay! That's cute. Woo! Hey! Yeah! Yeah! We won! Ah.